In this new series, we meet with some of our most valued contractors to learn how they work. We get to see the behind the scenes, in action, tips and tricks for how they build their water features. The Learn from the AO Pros series is a new educational program at Atlantic-OASE, where contractors teach contractors. Once a year, we will be selecting contractors to come build in our new sandbox to show us how they create beautiful and unique water features. Throughout the rest of the year, we want to visit you at your builds. Tell us what awesome projects you have planned, and we'll send someone from the Atlantic-OASE team to come visit you. Big or small water features, we want to video all your tips and tricks for how you build.
Hi, I'm Ryan, I'm the owner of Alpine Custom Hardscapes. Mike, Art of the Yard, Operations Manager.
Hi, I'm Demi Fortuna of August Moon Designs and AO. I'm the Director of Product Information for Atlantic-OASE.
Hi, I'm Connor Parsons and I'm Project Foreman for Art of the Yard.
Hi, I'm Heath with Art of the Yard and I'm the owner with Shane Hemphill.
Hi, my name's Shane Hemphill, one of the owners of Art of the Yard. Yeah, so basically what we're doing here is we're creating a false wall for the pond. So we over excavated this, added the eco blocks there, so that way our patio can actually come right over the top of this. And then we're gonna sit one of the Atlantic copper bowls right here. So part of the copper bowl will flow into the patio and part of the bowl will flow right into the pond.
I would just rather not look into the skimmer from any place around the pond. So what we like to do is turn the skimmer so it's perpendicular to the viewpoints from the pond and have the water come in around the side. So
you still get kind of a racing water effect from the side by doing that?
Actually, you can accelerate the water in because you're narrowing the channel the water comes in, so you accelerate the water that comes into the face.
That's a great tip. Show us what it looks like.
Make sure you have enough liner to go around, like in this case. And then when you rock up along the side of the skimmer here. When this is rocked and this is capped, you can put an artificial rock on top. Our rock lids look great when they're sitting on rock, so it looks much better than an overhanging rock lid. And then all the water comes in from the side. You never see the skimmer face at all.
Right when this foam just gets a little tacky, you don't want to do it right away because then the foam's just going to bubble up out of there. And you'll take some dirt and you'll kind of pat it into your foam. And the water is going to, wash away all this loose dirt. What you're going to be left with is dirt that's stuck to the top of your foam and keep your waterfall looking nice and natural.
Interested in being in our next Learn from the Pros video? Contact your regional sales manager or email us at marketing@atlantic-oase.com. Subscribe for more Learn from the Pros videos.